Okay, guys, something that I'm going to ask you to do, I need you to remember, I need you to go back to 7th grade and remember that a proportion is two equal fractions. Okay? Now, that's all we've been doing. I mean, we were factoring expressions so that when we put them into fractions in the last section, or in the last unit, we could cancel them. Now we're still working with fractions. When I have two fractions that are equal to each other, we call that whole thing a proportion. Okay? That's what we're talking about today, are proportions. The key thing that we need to remember about proportions is that whenever I have one, I can cross multiply and the fractions go away. So that means for this one, I'll write it a little larger. It's 3 over 8 is equal to 9 over 4k. Okay? The directions for this say to solve it. That means the variable, we need to end up saying what the variable equals. Okay? Now, since this is a proportion, I can cross multiply. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 times 4k is equal to 9 times 8. Everybody see where that came from? Ruben, you good there?
Yeah.
Kyle, you good there? Okay, good. So let's simplify. Now 3 times 4k is 12k is equal to 72. Then I just divide by 12 and I get that k is equal to 6. Now, you can plug that back in to check it, just see if it's right. 3 over 8 is equal to 9 over 4 times 6, which is 24. If I reduce this, divide both by 3, I'm going to get 3 over 8. And that's the same as where we started. Okay, everybody happy there? This was just a check. Okay, I'm just checking it here. All right, whenever I have a fraction equaling another fraction, I cross multiply and solve. All right, good job, guys. Let's look at the next example.